Hi everyone, we are going to decorate this watermelon today. So cut the top portion of the watermelon and start cutting at the center using the sharp knife. Here we are going to make a star shape. So start giving it shape like we are doing here. Take a sharp knife and we are going to make a beautiful star here. And look, it's done. Now keep it aside. After this we are going to remove the fruit from this watermelon. So take the watermelon, cut the base of the watermelon. Now we are going to scoop out all the fruit like this. Look at the balls. Now remove it on the plate. After this we are going to give it further shape. We are removing all the fruit like we are doing here, and look, it's done. Then we are going to cut this area around it like this using this knife. We are going to make V cuts here. We are going to decorate it further like this, so it is looking more attractive this way. Now cut it and look, it's done. After this we are going to put all the balls inside the watermelon like this, and look, it's done. Now we are going to decorate it. So put the star with the help of a stick inside it, and look, it is ready. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful bird using this green apple. You can take whatever color available, like red apple you can take. So cut it into half and start making small cuts at the center. Look, using a sharp knife, but don't remove the cuts. Now we are going to slide all of them and you will get a leaf-like structure. And look, the feathers of the bird are ready. Now we are going to take another half and cut a small piece. After this, we are going to make the head of the bird. So carve it like this sharp knife, and look, the head is ready, and paste its eyes. We are putting it inside the feathers and the other half of the apple like this. Put a stick inside it and stick it like this, and look, your bird is ready. You can make more such birds and you can decorate your food plate this way. Here we are going to cut this watermelon into half. Now we are going to cut it from the center like this, and again make two pieces. Now we are going to remove the fruit this way from both the sides and make small pieces at the center. We are making triangular pieces like this. Now look, you can easily eat the watermelon this way. Look how pretty this is looking. In this video, we are going to make these heart swans using tomatoes. So cut the tomato into two pieces. Now we are going to make small pieces at the other half of the tomato like this using the sharp knife. Don't remove the pieces. Now we are going to peel out the tomato like this and put it on the side of the half tomato. Now slide all of them like this and make a heart shape like we're doing here. Pull out the other pieces, make two such pieces and combine both of them together, and look, the feathers are ready of the swan. Then we are going to take another half, and here we are making the heart shape and the head of the swan. So remove the seeds of the tomato. Now cut it, and look, we are going to put their eyes inside it like this. With the help of this stick, we are going to put it on the top of the feathers like this and make a heart shape using the head, and look, your swans are ready. You can make more such pieces and decorate your food plate this way. We are going to make these butterflies using tomatoes. So cut a small piece of tomato and again cut it into half. Peel it like this. Now we are going to spread it, and look, your butterfly is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.